Hello, I'm Tim Lenihan, strategist at Sapiens Decision, and welcome to the inaugural edition of our Sapiens Insurance 360 vlog. Our new vlog program will feature Sapiens and our partner SMEs discussing the latest news, trends, and technologies from today's insurance and insurtech ecosystems. In today's episode, we'll discuss separation of concerns in software. When I reference separation of concerns, what I'm really referencing is that all software that's virtually ever been written has fundamentally two things in it. It has workflow and it has actions. And when I reference actions today, that could be anything from sending an email to a customer, putting something on the glass, storing something in a database. But I really want to focus today on decisions. Decisions is one of those prominent things in software as far as an action goes. So the workflow is doing something and says, I need this decision, I'm doing something else, I need another decision. So by pulling the decisions out from that workflow, I can treat each individual decision as a separate asset. I can test it separately. I can deploy it separately. I get all of the benefits that SOA gave to get away from monolithic systems, but now I bring that SOA capability to a decision individually, and I can pull that decision out from the actual workflow itself. As the second picture showing, you'll see that decision itself is really a tree where I've got data coming in the decision and I'm going to have a conclusion that comes out. And what's happening in that decision is our tool gives you a visual means to manage all the complexity, sophistication of what's happening inside the decision through these sub-decisions to provide the answer. So I've pulled the decisions out from the workflow. I've got a great visual means that even a business person can directly manage themselves and test, and in essence, come close to just deploying with a single button and then get a conclusion going back into the workflow. When we pull those decisions out, we never said it had to be a decision model. So some of the decisions may be getting facilitated by an AI machine learning model. And as this third picture is showing, sometimes it's going to be a decision model, sometimes it's going to be an AI machine learning model on the right. But in the middle, we'll frequently see my AI machine learning model comes back with a score. Let's say a score of 750. What do I do with a score of 750? So what the decision model combined with the AI machine learning model allows me to do is I can say, well, in Florida, a score of over 500, I want to take a certain action. Or in a different geographic location, say Iowa, a score of 300, I want to take a certain different action. And maybe that changes over time. So by combining the two, I can operationalize what to do with the score that comes back from the AI machine learning model by combining it with a decision model. Once again, this is all predicated by separation of concerns, by pulling the decisions out from the workflow of the application software. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for joining, and be sure to follow us on our LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter social media channels. We've got so much more coming. We hope to see you again soon on the Sapiens Insurance 360 vlog.